Then we have Santana Pen Culture. This font can play guitar very well. I'm joking. Santana is a truly appreciable font which manages to be graceful and a bit espinado. Calligraphic Fonts, 20 organic-like handwritten fonts. If you're looking for fonts that look like handwriting, cursive and natural, this is the video for you. Today I tried to round up all the fonts I know of that recall these characteristics. So if you're a graphic designer or someone looking for inspiration, it's time to reveal a number of fonts that can be useful for your projects. Number 1, Elegant, Valpyric Studio. Let's start from the beginning. Elegant is a font, definitely elegant. The stroke looks a lot like a manual stroke that can be used for any eventuality. However, it remains very legible. Number 2, Amalfi Coast by Typeline Studio. Amalfi Coast by Typeline Studio is a truly gorgeous font, graceful, round and fine at the same time. Really great for signatures but difficult to read. Number 3, Marilliana, John Creative. Marilliana is a John Creative font which offers us a cursive font with large lateral graces but with pleasant smoothness. Number 4, Billion Dreams by Mans Drebach. Billion Dreams is a truly impactful font, especially when proposed in bold. Interesting for titles, spectacular on printed matter such as labels and boxes, especially when enriched with a thick glossy silkscreen varnish. Number 5, Caroline, Fatma Studio. Fatma Studio created Caroline, a font that is very reminiscent of a feminine and graceful hand stroke. Number 6, Sofia Script by Reka Safriani. If you like the writing style of the old feathers, Sofia Script is for you. Number 7, Samantha Ulloel Design. Samantha, designed by Ulloel Design, proposes the classicism of cursive fonts but with a more irregular stroke, ideal for those who need it for a project that requires a particular organicity and realism. Number 8, Charlotte by Lettergram. Charlotte is somewhat reminiscent of the effect of cursive writing with gel pens on paper, which is also perfect for signatures that must have a certain graphic impact. Number 9, Asmelina Harley, Kotak Koning Studio. The cursive Asmelina Harley font was produced by Kotak Koning Studio, who sought a very branded and sophisticated font, a font that whispers luxury. Magenta, Philographic. Magenta is a cursive font design from Philographic. Despite its elegance, this font tries to shine through as a youthful and childish font. Nathalia Romi Ramadi. Nathalia is a very determined cursive font. The single letters that compose it maintain a fair proportion. Then we have Vailand, Hajar Created. Vailand tries to be a more French style font, fine and pointed but with a very high added value. Sunshine, Letter Zero Studio. Sunshine is a font that works best in thick lettering. This line of cursive characters was designed by Letter Zero Studio. Here Notes, Mans Drebach. The stylish Here Notes is a font that tries to be a signature with a great charm and style. Then we have Hearthstone, My Type. Hearthstone is a font of my type. This font has very nervous curves and graces which make it very distinguished from the other rounded fonts in the list. Cinderella Script, Reka Safriani. Returning to the rounded, we have Cinderella Script, a font by Reka Safriani. Justin, Bonjour Type. Another feminine font is Justin. The Justin font manages to make good use of the space in which it is printed or written. Then we have Clarissa by Banquet Trisetiadi. For those who are looking for a cursive font suitable for various uses but which does not have too intrusive graces, the Clarissa has been created especially for you. Then we have Santana Pen Culture. This font can play guitar very well. I'm joking. Santana is a truly appreciable font which manages to be graceful and a bit espinado. Brotherhood script Joseph Habke. The Brotherhood script is a classic font, personally very for tattoos. Even if used in the right way, it could stand out on thick, natural paper, perhaps with direct debossing on the paper. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos about fonts, design and packaging and how to become a better designer. Don't forget to like the video, share this video with your friends and colleagues. I'm Stefano and as always, love you all. Ciao!